When Zane stepped out of the time machine, he felt like he'd stepped into another world. Bell-bottom jeans, classic cars, and colorful patterns were everywhere. But behind the vibrant scenes, life wasn't easy. Gas station lines stretched for blocks, and worried faces told a story of rising costs and shrinking paychecks. It was the heart of the 1970s inflation crisis. Zane walks down the street, passing signs outside a grocery store. His curiosity grows as he notices people hesitating before they enter. As he wandered through this unfamiliar time, Zane tried to process what he was seeing. Prices that seemed small to him, but weighed heavily on everyone else. He didn't yet understand what inflation truly meant, but he could feel its impact all around. Trying to make sense of it all, he spotted a woman stepping out of a grocery store with an overloaded paper bag. Just as she reached the curb, the bag tore open, spilling groceries everywhere. Zane rushes over, helping her pick up cans and produce as she sighs in frustration. "Thanks," she said, her voice heavy with exhaustion. "Guess I should have double bagged it, but that costs extra these days." Her words stuck with Zane. Every penny mattered in times like these. As they finish gathering the groceries, Zane walks alongside her, glancing at her tired expression and the well-worn bag slung over her shoulder. She introduced herself as Ava, a factory worker and recently divorced mom trying to make ends meet. The more she talked, the more Zane realized just how hard inflation hit families like hers. She explained how everything, from milk to bread, seemed to cost more every week. Zane was shocked when she told him her grocery bill had doubled, while her paycheck hadn't changed. They arrive at Ava's modest home, a small house with peeling paint and a cluttered porch. Zane helps her carry the groceries inside, taking in the space. Her home told its own story, a single light bulb hanging in the kitchen, faded furniture, and a half-empty fridge. This wasn't just a lesson about inflation, it was a glimpse into the daily struggles it caused. Zane pauses at the door, watching Ava unpack. A look of determination crosses his face. Seeing Ava's struggles firsthand, Zane made a decision. He couldn't solve everything, but he could help her take the first step toward making her paycheck go further.